Oh, did you guys see that? All ice. All the icicles around the house. Yeah, it's a winter storm on the Gulf Coast. Ain't this little beautiful? I love this guy. Yeah, this is Winter Storm 2018. Might be the first. Whoa. Hey, look, you see that? You guys see this? Yeah, this is Winter Storm 2018 in Pearland. All the schools are closed today, and they're probably gonna be canceled tomorrow. But I'm not sure. But that's like over. That's like over in Houston. Those districts might be closed, but not sure about down here. They say we might get snow tonight, which will be another snow day. Which I don't understand why we couldn't have this kind of weather last month. It'll be a real Christmas, real white Christmas. Oh, hey, look at the roof. Look at all the roofs. Oh, yeah. The cross and the flag still stand. Woo! My hands are freezing. Oh, too. Oh. Oh. I don't have any gloves. Woo! Oh, that's cool. Yeah. All wet. It's got icicles on it, but not much. Ain't that a little weird? Houses get like tons of icicles, and then there's a huge block of ice right there. Maybe snow. And the icicles on the house are like super long. And just take a look at this one. This one has like a lot. Hold on. See if this could work. Ow. It's hard as fuck. Look at the size of them. You guys see that? But icicles on that one are short. Our house is long. And then it was pretty thin earlier, and then look, that was a little bit of snow right there, but I won't count on it. It's getting in the house. Well, guys, I gotta close this video off, but this winter storm 2018, can't wait for 2019. And look at all that. It got our water hose frozen together. I'm gonna upload this late tonight. Like, subscribe, favorite, peace.